So in here, in your implementation time, you have to create and edit all those things using this one. But suppose you are in support projects, you have to analyze your master data. Suppose you got an error in data integration job that master data is not maintained. You want to see, is it true that master data is not maintained in IBP? In that scenario, you have to go manage manage master data. You have to go to over here or hypercare or support projects. Maybe you can face these types of things and master data are not present. So first you have to verify that system is saying that master data is not present. This is true or not. So by that you have to go this manage master data. And now you have
Mhm.
to suppose you want to see on location. So here is our location. Suppose I want to see this location. Suppose you got some error or client send you that this location is not in IBP. Suppose you think it. So you have to
Mhm.
go over this one, manage master data. You have to put over here. Then you have to go over here. Control V 1008. Go. Why it is not? Okay, I am in C na. That is why it is not coming. Okay. I'm in test system. That is why maybe it is showing over there. So if I put so in test system na they created lots of things. So if I go over
Okay.
ZP location, but in your production it will be one only for the location master data. I don't know. It should be come over here. Okay, maybe this is the problem for this test server. So they created
Mm.
different. So I have to check it. This master data is lies on ZPUC or not. Okay, because I am watching in ZPUC system. So all the master data and all those things will be lies on ZPUC because we have in ZPUC. So we have to
Mm.
check it. This ZPP location is there in planning area or not. ZPC locations. Okay, got my point. I told you in today very first day that we all are dependent upon the planning area because in
Mm.
we are watching in XLUI ZPUC planning area. Okay,
Right.
so in ZPUC planning area we have these locations, but
Mhm.
somehow in the web UI because because it is test systems we have lots of planning area created for testing purpose. So we did not check the proper planning area. So I just going to planning area first, planning area app, then go to attribute, then check which location master data type assigned to this ZPUC. So I could say that ZPC location is created in for the ZPUC. Then I go to master data app and search it for ZPU, ZPC locations. Okay. Please ask me. This is the very if you can't understand now all those things, so you can't do anything ahead actually. So this is the simple things and critical things actually. So all these planning and all these tasks should be in planning area dependent. So in planning area, which key figure, which attribute, key figure I will come back later. Which attribute, which
Mm.
master data is assigned. That only master data you can view in Excel UI.
Right, right. So going back to that issue, why we can't find it in Excel, you use GUP planning area, but whereas in the IBP UI, that's a different
Yes.
planning area. That's why we didn't find the
Yes.
location,
In
right?
different planning area, we are searching. Okay.
Okay.
Because in ZPUC planning area, our location should be location master data type should be the ZPC location. Okay. ZPC is the prefix. So
Mhm.
that is why I am going again to manage master data. So I'm just search ZPC. Okay. We have
Mm.
so many master data in test system. If you only search locations, see EDR location, SUN location, all those. But we have because in ZPUC, ZPC location is assigned as a master data. Thus, we have to find the ZPC location. In here, if we drill down, then we can find our locations. Whatever location, if you find it, you can find it over here. Suppose 1008. Got it?
Yeah.
But this location, suppose this same location 1008, if you find in manage master data, MA manage, this is also a ZPP location is a location that is also a simple master data. If I find it 1008, I should not, it should not be there. Maybe it's also assigned in that planning area also.
Uh-huh.
Maybe it's also so one master data type can be assigned many planning area. That is doesn't matter, but you have to assign one planning area at least. What my
Hmm.
point? This doesn't mean
Yeah.
that this location is assigned in ZPUC. Doesn't mean it can be assigned to another planning area. Not that. You can assign this one particular location 10 to 15 planning areas. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So you just go through my recording. By that you will understand. The first day you can't understand all those things. Okay. Yeah. So that is the master data. So master data we can create or manage existing, replace existing, all those things. We have simple, compound, and reference master data. So simple master data we have only one primary key, and compound master data we have to have two primary key. And we can say attaching two simple master data is called the compound master data. Okay. So now what is the reference master data? So reference master data is nothing but a mirror image of any master data. Suppose from location to two locations. Okay. Suppose we have a master data called the from locations. The ship to party, sold to party, Suppose
Yes.
we have a mirror image. Okay. We need to have the mirror image. Suppose we have a from locations. So we no need to create to two locations. So if we create the from two location as a reference master data of from location, then it will be ditto copy. So from location
Mhm.
and two location will be the same. Okay. So if we go there, and if we go the master data, what is the reference component? Component you can understand now currently. See target currency. This is also the location from is the reference master data. Okay. Why it is? Because if you create the only location from, you no need to create the location two, or you have already been created the location two master data. No need to create the location from, because all will be same actually. So that is why you use the reference master data for the mirror image. So for the currency is also for the reference master data. Currency is the main master data. Target currency is the mirror image of currency. So we have two master data. Okay, currency and target currency. We already have the currency. So for the target currency, we no need to create target currency. We have to create the reference master data. By that, whatever in currency, it will be ditto copy to target currency, which is the mirror image to each other. So suppose in your project they have asked you to create the reference master data, you will see that you can create like this. So if you have the from location, you can do the two locations. Okay, ship from location ID is for this the primary key. See refer for these locations. This is the location from. Okay, the master data name is location from. What is the reference? This is the DDR location. So whatever in DDR location is there, whatever data in this DDR location, it will be ditto copy to this master data, this location from master data. Try to
Mhm.
understand, because the reference this location from is taking the reference from DDR locations. So if you want to create the reference master data over here, in the suppose you are going to implementation, so you have to create the ID name. That is all for all actually. Now you have to add new. Suppose randomly I am taking. Okay, then reference attribute. Maybe this can be my authorization issue. So here we have a option to add this. So you have to add the reference master data over here. Okay, reference attribute. This is the my new master data I am going to create. So which reference this master data will take, you have to assign over here. So that means that master data will ditto copy to our new master data. So no need to create your data over here. It will be the copying
Mhm.
to each other.
Okay.
So got my point for the reference master data.
Yeah, it is copied from that reference.
Yeah, this is the mirror image for each other. Try to mind this word. This is the mirror image, ditto copy for one to
Mhm.
another. One we already have. Now we have to ditto copy to the new ones, which we already have. The same data we should reflect to new one. So that time we have to use the reference master data. Got it? So
Yeah.
for the master data, this is very important thing. So simple, compound, and reference master data we learned today. And the for the reference master data, we also have the primary key. Okay, so primary key is very important for these all these master data types. Okay.
Okay. So, question on reference master data. I know we created a new one with reference to something else, right? So,
Mm-hmm.
let's say if we need to have a data in that newly created master data that we created with reference type. So, that data, whatever we are going to create, should be part of that reference master data.
Can you come again? I just can't get you actually.
So let's say we have a master data, like R master data, and we are creating Y master data with reference to R.
Okay.
Okay. And in the
Mm-hmm.
Y, let's say if we want to have a data, does that data has to be available in R data, R master data also?
Yes, yes, that's why this is the Ditto copy. That's
Okay.
why this is a Ditto copy. So our master data will be copied to Y master data. So R is the existing master data, and your newly created is Y. So our data will be exactly copying to Y actually. If you create Y
Okay.
and Y is the reference master data, and you are taking reference from R, so whatever data in R, it will be Ditto copy to Y.
Okay. Got it.
Got it?
Mhm.
Okay.